Hi everyone, welcome back to Skincare by Robin. I want to thank you for coming back, or if this is your first time, welcome. Please make sure that you subscribe or comment below and give me me a review of what I can improve and what needs to be changed. I would love to hear from you since this is my first time doing this channel, but in only my second video. So yeah, please feel free to drop me a line and comment. Thank you so much. Tonight we're going to talk about the Timewise repair kit that I use every night. Oops, guess that wasn't in the box too tight. It comes with, not that glares too much here. A lot of glimmer, a lot of shine. Okay, so this is the Volume Firm foaming cleanser for your face and neck, okay? And then we have the Volume Firm lifting serum. And then after that, we have the daytime moisturizing cream that has the SPF 30 in it, Fit 30 in it. And then the nighttime cream, oops, the Mary Kay Nighttime Clean, and it has retinol in it, so it moisturizes, and the retinol is helping to improve your the bad things in your skin while you're sleeping. Helps repair all that. Okay, and then finally after all that, then we have the eye cream here. It's soothes and yeah, it's called Renewal Cream, but it's for your eyes, under your eyes, above your eyes. Okay, so let's get started on what each of these items actually do for you and how we can use them to improve our skin. So the Volume Firm Foaming Cleanser revitalizes, renews, and maintains moisture balance. So this is it's non-aggressive. It's just soft and smooth, and it goes on. Just a little bit will go a long way, so don't use a lot. Usually this bottle lasts 3 months. So it doesn't look like it would, but it does. Okay? You don't have to use a lot to use it. Okay? So you put a little bit on. Then you take a warm washcloth. Please don't use hot water on your face. It's like burning your skin. We don't want to hurt it any more than we already do with everyday living, okay? So what we do is we just rinse it off with the warm washcloth. Make sure we get it all off. Rinse it with clear water, okay? We pat it dry. Don't rub it. We pat it, okay? And then we take the Volume Firm Advanced Lifting Serum, and we use that from our nose down, our cheeks down, okay? And we just always in outward motions, okay? You can go in circular motions when you're cleansing your face, but when you're doing the lifting serum or the moisturizers, remember that we need to go up and out, okay? Up and out, that's the way it works because we all know the gravity drags us down. So when we're putting our serum, especially the lifting serum, we want to make sure we're lifting it up, okay? So that's that. And and again, it's just one little dot, one little pump on the whatever this is called, the button. So yeah, it only takes one pump. So again, this product lasts a long time. Next, for the morning, when you get up in the morning and you've done your cleansing and your Volume Firm, then we have the Timewise Repair, the day cream, okay? And in this day cream, we have the SPF 30 in it, and that helps to restore your youthful cushion, and it's formulated to help minimize the skin reaction to external irritants such as, you know, the dirt and the grime every day outside. Okay, and now I'll show you the night cream, that because you're going to use the night cream at night. Makes sense. The Volume Firm night treatment has retinol, and so this improves the advanced signs of aging, helps reveal radiant looking skin, and skin tone appears more even. So it's got that retinol in it that goes a little bit deeper than most things, and you don't want to wear the retinol outside, by the way. So otherwise you'll burn your skin. Okay, so you're going to wear that at night. Make sure you do your neck. Every process, please include your neck. Okay, except for the eye cream. Okay, so we want to make sure we do all of that, and that is twice a day, guys. Once in the morning and once at night, whether it's first thing when you get home or before you go to bed. Okay. The last thing in this set, we do have what we call the Value Firm Eye Renewal Cream. Okay. And this little thing right here is a, oh my goodness, I totally forgot what it's called. But this metal, boxers use it when they're in the boxing ring and they get a cut over their eye and you see the trainer putting stuff on his eye. It's this kind of metal, and what it does is it takes the swelling down. So along with the renewal cream, this little piece of metal, and you'll feel it when you get it, it's cool to the touch. No matter what time of day, it doesn't matter if the lid's on it or not, it's a cool touch. So it immediately reduces the swelling. It's crazy. And then you do that under the eye and you rub it, and it's amazing. I can't explain it to you. You have to try it. And if you'd like to try it, I have samples. All you have to do is let me know. Private message me or message me here, and I will get in touch with you, and we can get some stuff in the mail for you. Okay? One other thing I wanted to touch on tonight was I have 2 extra products here that I use. Before I go into my Timewise at night, before I use the Timewise Repair Kit at night, I use what is called micellar water. And what you do is you put it on a cotton round, just get it wet, and just go over your face. I know it takes off most of that dirt and grime and the makeup. Okay, so that when you actually get to the cleansing formula, then it's going right in and it's really grabbing. So it feels good too, by the way. And I also use this during the summer, when you're out gardening and stuff and you don't have time to run in the house. This in the garden is a good idea because it takes all the sweat and it's cooling. So yeah, it helps. And then this little guy here, this is called our oil-free eye makeup remover. Now, I'm not kidding you, this thing works. And all you do is you put a little, yes, I'm going to do one eye for you so I can show you. Put a little on the round thing, and what you do is you just put it on your eye. You don't rub it, you don't do anything, okay? You just sit it there, and look at that. That's my eyeshadow. That's my eyeliner and my mascara. Let's see if I need to do more. Probably. I got a lot of day on here. Yeah, okay. So that's the other side. See what I'm talking about? So now when you go to your cleaner, sorry, my eye's a little weird now. Then when you go to your volume foaming cleanser, then you got all the extra stuff off, the hard stuff to get off. So when you're done with all that volume foaming cleanser and stuff, then your skin's really, really clean because you've taken so much of it off with the micellar water and the Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. Okay, so those are my picks for today to show you how they work and how they do for you. If you have any questions, please ask me. I do have a couple more things I'd like to share with you about this. The Timewise Repair Kit. Oh my goodness, excuse me. I wanna go behind and do a little bit, the science behind the Volume Firm complex, okay? This is all Mary Kay stuff is patented. So the Volume Firm complex is the heart of the Timewise Repair Regimen. Okay, it's a perfect union of 3 ingredients that are vital to the skin renewal that is in every product, okay? We use a biometric peptide, helps support skin's natural processes to help improve the appearance of sagging and wrinkles, okay? This helps maintain the natural hyaluronic acid, a vital component of skin that plays a role in helping maintain youthful looking volume and lift. This is what, what's that lady's name off of, she played some kind of wives show anyways, and she does some makeup commercial, and that's what she talks about. The hyaluronic acid that they put in their product. Obviously, it's a product most makeup companies use, okay? The other thing is that we use plant stem cells. They're derived from the guto cola to help support the natural framework of the skin. So this is something that I think is very well known, that we use plant stem cells in all of our products somehow, okay? The formula attributes suitable for sensitive skin, it's fragrance free, it's oil free except for the eye renewal cream. Excuse me, that doesn't have oil in it. The non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, clinically tested for skin irritancy and allergy, advanced lifting serum only, okay? Suitable for contact lens wearers, advanced lifting serum and the eye renewal cream only. And it's suitable for sensitive eyes for the lifting serum and the eye renewal cream also, okay? Use up rate. You're using this probably I hope twice a day. I have been known to use it 3 times a day, especially just the cleansing one, just because in the middle of the day you just need to wake up refreshing. Okay, I just came back from a cruise, and on the cruise we got up in the morning and I did all my stuff, and then we went on a tour and we got back at 2 o'clock and it was like, oh, I need a shower, let's clean up again. So we use this whole regimen again, and then before I go to bed we use it again. So it is possible that you can use this, at least the cleaning and the moisturizers, you should use them all together, okay? If you're going to remake up yourself, you need the other stuff too. So yeah, those are my suggestions on how you use this. I do want to say thank you so much again for listening. And again, if you would like to subscribe, please do. I appreciate any feedback, and in the comments, please feel free. I won't be offended, I promise. I'm new at this, and I'm willing to listen to any suggestions you may have. Thank you so much. Have a great evening, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.